Are you a golfer? Or simply looking for a quiet place to relax, surrounded by nature and open views? This apartment at Hacienda Riquelme Golf Resort in Sucina, Murcia, may offer just the right balance of comfort, design, and location. Located within a gated golf resort, the apartment features a built area of 76 square meters, plus a 14 square meter glazed terrace with uninterrupted views over the gardens, communal pool, and golf course. It is situated on the second floor, fully renovated and presented in excellent condition. The layout is open and bright, with a spacious living and dining area that connects seamlessly to the terrace. There are 2 double bedrooms, each with a Juliette balcony and built-in wardrobes. A modern bathroom includes a walk-in shower with updated finishes. The independent kitchen is fully equipped with white goods and designed to match the apartment's clean, modern style. The Menor beaches are approximately 22 kilometers away, and Murcia International Airport is just 26 kilometers by car, making it accessible for both holidaymakers and full-time residents. This could be a good option for golf enthusiasts, seasonal visitors, or anyone looking for a low-maintenance property in a peaceful resort environment. To find out more or arrange a viewing, please contact us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more property tours and updates from sunny Spain.